Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, loosen the 2 screws at the rear of the base cover. Remove the 6 other screws and use a plastic scribe to pry the cover off the system. Identify the memory module and remove the pieces of tape. Unlatch and lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the memory module, place it back in the system. Relatch and reattach the pieces of tape. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 8 total screws to secure it. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.